Greetings and welcome to this tutorial of how to post a project on the Maroon and Gold Network. My name is Marissa Smith and I'm with the University of Minnesota Alumni Association, and I'm thrilled that you're interested in learning more about how to participate in this exciting opportunity to support students and new grads in their career development. Projects is a new feature on the Maroon and Gold Network, and in order to get started, you're going to first want to log into the Maroon and Gold Network. If it's your first time, no worries. Creating an account is quick and easy. It takes about 5 minutes, and there are tutorials available to help guide you through that process. But I'm going to skip ahead, assuming you've logged into the Maroon and Gold Network, and you're going to go ahead and click on the tab called Projects across the top here. Once you're on the Projects tab, you'll see a screen like this, although here you'll see that we don't have any projects yet. We're launching in a few weeks, and we hope that by the time you're watching this tutorial that there will be lots of project listings here for students. So in order to add your own project, you're going to click on the blue button here called Post a Project. Here you'll see several pre-made templates and also the option to create your own custom project. So feel free to use these templates as ideas of what you might offer to students, what work might be most useful to you right now. Remember, we're looking for assignments here that are time bound and concrete. We're looking for projects that are about 5 to 40 hours of work that can be completed within 1 week to 1 month. And the options are really endless, but they should be educational in nature and supporting students and new grads' career development. So say I'm working for an organization and I'm looking for some help editing and proofreading content. I see that there's a template here and I'm going to click Copy Template. This will take me to a screen where I can share more details about my opportunity, including who I am, what company I work for, what organization I work for. Let's just say I work for the University of Minnesota Alumni Association, which I do. Here I am going to keep the project title that the template provided me with. I can see that there's a opportunity to add more of a detailed description. And I have the option to change the project icon, a little icon that appears next to the listing. I can add additional job functions. I can toggle on whether the opportunity is paid or unpaid. That is an option that's available to you as the poster. We encourage paid projects if possible, and the going rate is typically $15 an hour or $600 for a 40-hour project. However, if paying your project recipient is a barrier to posting your opportunity, we encourage you to go ahead and post an unpaid opportunity, as our primary goal is to offer students an opportunity to gain new skills and make new connections. And the shorter time frame of projects should hopefully alleviate some of the barriers that some of our students do face in pursuing unpaid opportunities. You can also change the duration of the project, indicate the start and the end date of your project, add any qualifications to the project. Here's where if there are specific skill sets or interest areas that you're looking for. However, because these are very entry level experiences that we hope many students will be able to take advantage of, we really invite you to be open-minded in terms of the project qualifications. Is the person simply enthusiastic about learning what you have to offer? Do you have somebody that is able to coach them through the project? Keep that in mind as you're writing the qualifications here. Again, you can add a few more preferences to your application here, including whether or not you want the applicants to provide a resume and any additional documents. Since I'm providing an opportunity for writing content, I'd like to see a writing sample. And then you can click Preview and Submit. Looks like I missed adding in one piece of information, so it caught that for me. Preview and Submit. Now I have an opportunity to review what my project will look like. And if I'm happy here, I can click ahead to review the terms. There are several things that you'll want to familiarize yourself here, including the compliance with the Fair Labor Standards Act and intellectual property. But provided everything here looks to your satisfaction, you can type in your signature, indicate that you've read and agreed to this, and click Post the Project. Thank you so much for following along with this tutorial. After this point, your project will go into a queue to be reviewed and approved. If there's any issues, we'll reach out to you directly to fix those before it goes live on the site. Once it is live on the site, students and new grads can peruse the opportunities available and apply. You'll be notified when a new applicant has applied for your project. And at that point, it's up to you to follow up with applicants and let them know if you're interested in meeting with them and working with them on the project. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at the Alumni Association. We're thrilled again that you've made the decision to get involved in this new and exciting way to support our University of Minnesota students. Skayuma.